Learning English with laughter. How Charlie Chaplin and Novak Djokovic make vocabulary fun. Ladies and gentlemen, gather round. So, picture this unlikely duo. Charlie Chaplin and Novak Djokovic walk into a comedy club. Yeah, I know. It sounds like the beginning of a classic joke. First up, we've got Charlie Chaplin, the legendary silent film star, known for his slapstick comedy and that iconic mustache. Now, imagine him trying to navigate the world of modern tennis. I can already see him mistaking the tennis racket for a cane and doing a little tap dance on the court. Imagine the confusion as he pantomimes a point-winning serve, classic Chaplin style. And then there's Novak Djokovic, the tennis maestro with a killer serve and a knack for on-court theatrics. Now, picture him attempting to recreate Chaplin's iconic dance moves between sets. I mean, I'd pay good money to see Djokovic bust out the little tramp shuffle during a changeover. But let's not forget the real comedy gold. Communication. Chaplin, the master of mime, and Djokovic, the Serbian sensation known for his expressive antics on the court. Can you imagine the misunderstandings? Chaplin gesturing wildly, Djokovic nodding and smiling, both completely lost in translation. Now, imagine a doubles match with these two. Chaplin twirling his racket like a cane, and Djokovic attempting a Chaplin-esque bow after every successful point. It's a comedy of errors, and a smash hit waiting to happen. Whether it's the golden era of silent films, or the high-energy courts of modern tennis, the connection between Chaplin and Djokovic is a comedic masterpiece. So, here's to the timeless laughter they'd bring. The silent hilarity mixed with the thunderous applause of a cheering crowd. The world might not know it needs this duo, but oh, how it deserves them.